O fount of every blessing, tune my heart to sing your praise. Streams of mercy, never ceasing, call for songs of endless praise. Teach me some, O Lord, his sonnet, sung by flaming tongues above. Praise the mount, I'm fixed upon it, mount of God's unfailing love. Here I pause in my sojourning, giving thanks for having come to trust at every turning. God will guide me safely home. Jesus sought me when a stranger, wandering from the fold of God, came to rescue me from danger. Precious presence, precious blood. Oh, to grace, how great a debt